I'm Ayri. I'll be doing your consult and your style today.
Nice to meet you. My name is Cicely.
Hi, Cicely. Okay, so welcome to our salon. And you can get started by doing your consultation.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you a few minutes and I'll be right back, okay?
All
right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, honey, are you done?
Yeah, I just finished.
All right, well, let's get started. So are the questions hard or no?
No, most of them were pretty,
Pretty easy?
Pretty easy. I like the way they were worded. That was cute.
Okay, like a little hair interview. Got you. Okay.
I didn't feel like, I was just...
Yeah, feeling not like...
It wasn't boring like at the doctor's.
Okay, got you. Yes, we definitely do not want it to feel boring. And we definitely want it to be exciting. And this is also letting me know a little bit more about you and your curls. Some people like it, some people don't. But I feel like this is very important going into a salon, especially if it's your first experience. You don't know what you're getting into. A hair consult is always the key. Always the way to go. So let's see. You found us on Instagram. Thank you, Instagram. Okay. So yes, I see here you have loose curls, and I love your curls, by the way.
Thank you.
So what are some of your goals? I'm not gonna say what style you want today. I'm gonna say what are your hair goals for the future, so I can know which way to swindle this.
Okay. So my goals in the future, I have a history of not taking good care of my curls. So a couple years ago, I cut it all off, and now I'm trying to, maintain the health. So really just anything to make sure that I'm maintaining my healthy, natural curls, but also sometimes I get tired of my own curls.
Right.
And I want something different, and I started seeing different stylists doing different things just to make a different look.
Yes, and that is absolutely correct. Because sometimes when you do have your natural curls, you want to try a different look, and sometimes you can do pin curls, you can do rod sets, you can do twist outs, sometimes a more defined wash and go. All those will give you different curl patterns than what you normally see. So today I do have a feeling that we could definitely do something with rods, which would be perfect. So another thing, do you color your hair? I know it's on here, but I do like to color it.
So I have colored it. It has color in it, but I haven't colored it in a while, and I don't think I'm going to continue.
Okay, why isn't it?
Just for the health reasons.
Right. So does your hair get a little dry?
It gets really dry and brittle when I color it, and I have to trim it a lot more often.
Yes. Do you do deep conditions often?
Not often enough. No.
Okay. Okay. Well,
I haven't found a good deep conditioner that I really like.
Okay. You could also try steam treatment too. So here we do offer steam treatments, hot treatments.
I've never even heard of that.
Yes. It is like the epitome of a hair spa.
Really?
You want that.
Okay.
You want that on your curls. Yes, so that is always perfect. I do see here that you're a yoga instructor. Ooh, okay. So do you do hot yoga or regular yoga?
Regular yoga.
Okay, got it.
But I do get sweaty, so I feel like I have to wash my hair more often, so that's another thing.
Okay, got you. Definitely need to know that so I can know how to actually style you. Okay, so I do see here that, because we do ask important questions like, are you allergic to any hair fibers? Are you allergic to any products? Because we are a natural salon and we do use natural-based products. So that's always important to ask, especially if you want to try doing protective styles. Of course, I want to know if you're allergic to fibers.
For sure.
Synthetic, human, however, whatever. I need to know those things because those are very important. So you got your trim about 2 weeks ago. How often do you want to trim? So you usually trim every quarter, depending on how bad the ends are. So how often do you trim?
So I just started getting better about it, and I try to do actually every 2 months.
Okay.
Is that too often?
That's a little too often.
Yeah.
A little bit, especially if you're taking care of your hair. If you're taking care of your hair, you're doing everything right.
Yeah.
2 months is a little extreme.
Okay.
But I would definitely say you can go like every quarter.
Okay.
If you're manipulating your hair a lot, you will definitely start seeing the split ends in the hair, and then that's when you say, I need a little dusting or a small trim. But every quarter, every 3 months, it's okay. It's okay. So we're just gonna slow you down on the show.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, so that's perfect. I kind of have an idea. Of course, I want to try to use the rods. I do see that your curls are a little looser, so I'm gonna use like an orange rod maybe to just tighten it up a little bit, maybe like a little updo.
Okay.
I'm excited. Fun, yes. So y'all thinking something going up? You know, do you usually wear hair in your face or?
I normally wear it like kind of just the same part in my face. I either like pin it back, I do a ponytail, not too much variety.
Gotcha. Okay, so today we're gonna give you variety.
Okay, nice. I love it.
Yes. Okay, so this completes our consultation. Would you like any water or wine or snacks while you wait?
Ooh.
Yes, girl.
Maybe some wine.
Wine, red or white?
Let me do red wine.
Okay, sounds amazing.
Okay.
Just hang tight while I go get everything ready for you and I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, here you go. Alrighty, so just enjoy.
Okay.
The video today, you can actually go to the website kinkysecretsbeauty.com and purchase all of these products right now. Today, click it, subscribe, like our channel, share with your friends and family. We are here to stay. Kinky Secrets Beauty.